John. You're going around with another you can't afford, you know water is going to be coming over this trip.
I have, yeah. Well, I had to transport it to my train. The French is still fitting. Yeah,
Yeah, Blocksetting train. That's dedicated for you. It's 100% Meccano.
Travels.
I'm not sure what it is interesting, but bring up anything that's
It's going.
okay.
It's bizarre, isn't it?
It is bizarre.
There's things here that you just wouldn't think. No, you're not going to do that in the corner. There's some good models, there really is. And the standards seem to go up every year.
Which is great.
Yeah.
Oh, it's moving! The wings are coming out.
Is it actually flying?
Incredible craftsmanship.
Get a video, quick!
This is unreal.
It's back on the table like nothing happened.
There we go. Going up anything like Thank you very much.
When they introduced the geography there, it came with what's called the ring frame or the plastic as we know it, which probably makes a better bearing than that. Oh yeah, I saw that. Like him, yeah.
I really do like him. I have to tell you, I said that Chitty Bangman was my favourite, and it possibly is, but I could be swayed.
Oh, good. What more does it take?
More snobby and kept this model. Yeah.
Later they made the Batmobile rotary engine. And this is something.
John Bader gesproken, een leuke gentleman. Ja. Ook een nikkelman.
You give him a spin, move him around.
Hello.
Space constraints. So imagine it's dissolved with the size in here. Springs.
Did you take a lot of photos of all the other stuff as well? I did, yeah. John, do you know when the micro-absorption is?
Not yet, no. I don't know when it is yet because they've only started clearing it.
This is chain stitch.
Was it a washing machine motor or something like that? Yeah. It's that's
They were king. More about the hobby show because it's got the Lego table and that would be frowned on here.
Absolutely, you'll get yourself shot. Have a look around.
I can't remember where you're from. Oh, sorry, you're recording?
Yeah, not sure. Yeah.
This is classical overhead valve and camshaft. Overhead camshaft with 4 valves and chain driven. And this is from the NSU Max motorcycle special drive.
Nice.
Als ik werk, begin ik om 8 uur en
Excellent.
Yeah, no problem. So that's a single train, just goes back and forth. Okay. But the point is really, you can put another train on. And then it will stop short because that block of track's occupied. And then same thing there, it won't go any further because the track's occupied. But if I get this out of the way,
right, so there's some sort of sensor there telling it that.
No, it's a track circuit. Basically, it's a circuit across there, and if the axle, because this one's the only one with a metal axle, if that completes the circuit, but then triggers a relay which switches off the power to the relevant section of track.
Right, you're very clever.
At the same time, it also switches the relays that control the signals, so the signals always show the correct aspect first. But when it's, if for example you're switching the track to go that way, the signals will show you what it is for going that way, but in the other direction they'll all be red, because you shouldn't be,
Absolutely.
And if it's off, then they're all red. Just
Traffic control.
Yeah. So it's just.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Anyway. Driving through there, down the shaft here, and then across here and down again on that side, and then driving 2 wheels out of 8 per side at a very slow pace, because I have about 70% loss due to friction from using worm gears, but I wasn't warned. Rookie mistake. And the last system is the hand actuated one to lift up the main wheel.
The other end should be blue as well, which has paint on to wind. Yeah.
Does it run at all?
It does run, but it has to be elevated so that the wheels turn. It's got proper, you can see that it's got a differential in there. And it's got Ackerman steering, but not done on rack and pinion, done on, open that door up. It's done on, so it's got done on bevel gears, yeah.
Lovely.
They're all blue and gold.
Down.
I don't need to do okay. Yeah, cut funky.
Having some bare model, but when I told me, I should go to the Chamber of Commerce and I'm going to pay €400. The description of the model.
Super.